seeing a lot of clouds, especially in the morning, but no rain.
No rain clouds yet. We need some. Finally, a chance in the 7-day forecast, so that's a change. We'll talk about that in a minute. It's not going to happen in the immediate future. What we will continue to see for the next several days are temperatures that reach 80 degrees or above, which is well above the average, as you can see there. 74 is our average late March high temperature. It would be nice to have a few days with temperatures at normal in March because it's real nice in the low and mid 70s, but we've been consistently above that here lately, almost a little bit too warm, I think, for most of us, in the mid 80s this afternoon after morning lows this morning in the mid 60s. And what a windy day today, too. The winds decreasing a little bit right now, and the sky is just about as sunny as we've seen them today. It's been mostly cloudy most of the day here until late this afternoon. And I think we'll continue to see the clouds thin out as we go through the evening hours, but overnight the low clouds will move back in and we'll start the day cloudy to mostly cloudy in the morning. 82 currently. 76 is our 8 p.m. forecast. At 10 o'clock tonight, down into the low 70s, and then the low temperature likely not falling much below the mid 60s. In the area right now, it's even warmer out here in the hill country where there has been more afternoon sunshine. Llano, for example, up to 88 degrees currently. There it is, 81 degrees down in Fredericksburg. Fredericksburg wanting some attention there. 81 degrees in Georgetown, and a lot of 81s off to the east of Austin today. 82 currently in town, and 84 degrees out at ABIA with partly to mostly cloudy skies, and the relative humidity is at 43, 41%. Winds south at 9 in the city. At the airport, they're still south at 21 miles per hour, but at times today gusting between 30 and 40 miles per hour. I know if you were outside much today, you noticed that south wind really howling at times. Sunset at about 7:45 tonight. Well, here's been the other story related to the warm weather and the winds, and I think today with all the wind, that's why we saw things go even higher. Oak very high. Mold high today now. That south wind off the Gulf the last few days really moistening things up. Hackberry, Cottonwood, nothing even low today. Everything is at least medium, and so for allergy sufferers, that's not good. We're not expecting a whole lot of improvement in the situation tomorrow either. Warm weather surging northward up into Oklahoma, 86 in Oklahoma City, 90 degrees in Abilene, but look how the temperature drops off there in Lubbock, and even more so up in the Amarillo area. There is a frontal boundary that has moved into the Panhandle right now, trying to head down here into central Texas tomorrow. I think it may actually push into the area, shift the winds a little bit, but it is not going to bring us the kind of cooling that we're seeing up there in the Panhandle. The center of the storm sending the cold front down is producing some snow. It's cold up here from Montana over into North Dakota, but it's moving so far to the north that front won't get a whole lot of push down into Texas. Now, the change in the weather pattern we're talking about will come with the next system coming in behind it. We're getting indication now from the computer models that it may track late in the weekend and early next week much farther to the south, maybe across Oklahoma, giving us a better chance for some showers or thunderstorms on Sunday and into Monday, and then also some cooler weather, temperatures returning to normal or below early part of next week. And then we may have a couple more systems follow up right behind that one that could continue to reinforce the cooler air. So as we head into April, we may see a return to more normal weather. But between now and the end of March, things looking just like they have here lately. The overnight lows well above average, as you can see there. The daytime high temperatures also close to 10 degrees above average. These are tomorrow's numbers. Tonight, low clouds, 65 the low in the city. We start the day mostly cloudy with south winds, and then we see the clouds break in the afternoon, and we're up to about 85, and the wind's not as gusty tomorrow. On the 7-day forecast, temperatures moderating just a little bit with that weak front trying to move down into the area. We'll drop it a few degrees on Thursday. Be optimistic there. And then we have more moist air surging back in here this weekend. Temperatures go up, humidity goes up, but that front moves in Sunday, Monday time frame with a chance for a shower or thunderstorm. And look at there, a drop to normal weather, even below average maybe by next Tuesday, a week from today. Well, make sure you're with us this Saturday night right here on KXAN for our live severe weather special from 6:30 to 7 on air and 7 to 7:30 live online, where we will be interacting with you on KXAN.com.